哥。好，那你上午过来，我再做biáng面。好。喂，今天都做啥呢？忙不忙？喂。不忙，那你过来，叫上俺哥到位，想吃biáng面，你过来，待会儿给我帮忙，好不好？
好的。
好。
孩子在家吗？
到呢，来着去。来，快坐。这一会儿我再拆面，面一吃呢，俺哥爱吃面。好，你吃啥要去？这会滋了吧，常稀奇。我看时间差不多，走，咱就拆面。再搅，这还差不多了。一包行的快。这人就是辣子醋。
还够熟了吗？都行。好。走进山西看城县。杏花村中有家园，姐弟鸳鸯生了边，登上蝶鞋梦去远，椰子老龙还有桃船。
吃饭了。
让你吃点好。
走了，我到唱戏去啊。哎，都来了啊！
When I was a child, my grandmother often took me to watch the elderly men practicing Qin opera in the parks. Back then, I thought the clangings of the clappers and their voices were unbearably loud, yet I couldn't resist repeating drum phrases that went chang chang qi chang qi. And now, at last, I too have begun to hear a certain beauty in the voices of the clappers and erhu that have echoed for centuries. To me, this is the sound of my hometown. Hometown is also the sizzle of hot oil poured over spicy noodles, the smack of hand-pulled noodles hitting the cutting board, the scent of ink drifting from calligraphy stole outside shuyuanmen, and the character biáng, perhaps the most complex in the world, found on street corners and alleyways. So my hometown is not merely a place on a map. It is these sounds and tastes. Whether I am here or far away, this land and I are bound together, blood and soul.